everyone. So today I'm going to be doing this Halloween look for you guys. Of course, I'm a vampire. I'm missing my teeth because the teeth I got were super cheap and super white. So they looked really off. So I just used my own teeth. I got fangs. Alright, but I wanted to do this quick vampire look for you guys. I hope you like it. It's sexy but scary and dramatic, and I had so much fun creating it. I hope you guys enjoy it. My wig, by the way, is from, well, I made it. It's not from them, but I made this wig using hair from Klaiyi. I think that's the company's name, but I made this wig using hair from their company. I'll have the link down below to the first video that I did for them. So it's 28 inches of hair. So if you guys are interested in the hair, I'll have that information in the description box as well. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep on watching.
Hey guys, so today I am doing a super easy, dramatic, and I think sexy vampire look. I'm gonna pop in these contact lenses. I honestly dislike putting contact lenses in. It doesn't matter if I get them brand new or whatever, they always get cloudy on me. And the idea of, putting a whole bunch of eye drops in my eyeballs while doing makeup just doesn't sound good. But for this look, I needed my contacts to just put it together. So I'm wearing the gray contacts from Camo Eyes, and for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. All right, and this brush is from It Cosmetics. I'm going to use this to blend out all of my foundation my foundation. And usually I do my brows first, but this is a Halloween tutorial, so we're doing things a little bit different. Okay, so the look doesn't have to be super precise. You can be a little bit messy, you can smudge things, so we don't have to be close up today. As far as the skin, I try to make it a little bit more clean looking because I have these blemishes on my left cheek that I really dislike. Okay, and now I'm going in with concealer. This one is from ColourPop. It's in the shade Deep Honey, and I'm just going to use this to highlight with. I wanted something brighter, but I'm going to end up brightening it up. This is just giving me like a natural highlighted look. So I'm going to add a different concealer, also from ColourPop, in the shade Tan, to lighten this up and see if it gets a little bit brighter. But eventually I add a different concealer to brighten it up a bit more. Okay. And as you guys could see, I use that same brush to blend out my concealer. I pretty much do this with my regular tutorials as well. It helps give it a natural look. I really don't care to give much of a natural look for this tutorial since we are going for a vampire look, so we don't really have to look natural. We have to just look like we're thirsty for blood and stuff like that. So I'm just going to blend out this other concealer, also from ColourPop. This one is in the shade Tan. Once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to go in and do my brows. I'm using Softest Black from LA Girl. This is their brow pomade and an angled brow brush. This one is from It. It's a duo brush. It has a spoolie on the other end. And I'm just going to use this to do my brows. I'm not trying to do a super natural brow or anything. I'm just filling in my brows and trying to make them a bit more dark and a bit more dramatic. They didn't turn out as dramatic as I wanted them to be. They actually look pretty regular like what I usually do. So yeah, maybe next time I'll just use a black eyeliner pencil, but they actually look pretty natural in my opinion. Yeah, so I went in with a bit of the tan concealer from ColourPop, and I also used this to clean up under my brow area, and I used this concealer brush from Sigma to blend that out. I'm not too worried about things looking natural. Like I said, I want my under eyes to be super bright, and I want under my brows to be super bright. Okay, this is gonna give me the effect that I'm going for, like a brighter kind of undead look. Now using the white concealer from LA Girl, because the concealer under my eye was just not as bright as I wanted it. So I added a bit of this with the tan concealer and blended it in to get it a bit brighter. Now I'm going to go in with this pressed powder from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me powder in the shade Java, I believe. It is a more like cool tone powder. So I'm going to use this to contour with to give me a, undead vampire-ish look. Okay, pretty much ashy-ish. That's what we're going for. Ashy contour, grayish contour. Okay. Once I have that done, I'm going to go in with my airspun powder and set under my eyes. This is the translucent formula. And I'm just going to set under there. Then I'm going to go in and contour my nose just a bit. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, quick contour. Remember, it's Halloween. Just have fun with your look, you guys. I took about, I think, maybe an hour to complete this entire look, maybe less than that. And I'm surprised that it turned out decent, okay? Now using a bit of concealer as my eyeshadow primer, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out and make sure it's nice and even because I do want the colors to be able to pop and stick on the eyelid area all the way up to the brows. And I'm going to go in and use the new palette from Urban Decay. This is the Naked Cherry palette. It's so cute, you guys. The tones in it are very fall-esque. So I'm going to use it to do my vampire look. So the first color I'm using is called Devilish, which is a kind of like cherry color, a matte cherry color, but it's not like super red. It's like a very dusty red shade. I'm going to apply this in my transition area and then apply it all over my lids and blend it out or smoke it out as much as I can. And I'm also going to apply this underneath my lower lashes and just smoke it out. So we're pretty much going out for a smoked out reddish look, okay? Red, but not like overdoing the red. You know what I mean? So not like my hair red. Okay, so a very nice subtle red. Then I'm gonna go in with the last shade. It's called Privacy, which is a brownish shade. I'm not gonna say it's like a very deep brown, but it's a brownish shade. And I'm just gonna use this to deepen out the outer V area and wing it out as well. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Black Market. This is like a smoky black eyeliner pencil. It's not your typical, you know, opaque black pencil. So if you want like a subtle black shade, you would like this. This is why I'm using it, so I can kind of put the veins in a place without, you know, making them too dark, because I will add darkness to them, okay? So I'm pretty much doing the veins, having them go all the way down, you know, like the blood vessels under the eyes. That's what I'm going for, okay? I'm guessing when a vampire gets hungry, the blood vessels under their eyes, you know, are all dry and need blood and whatever. And I think I got this idea also from watching a couple of vampire shows and movies. So yeah. All right, so once I'm done with the Black Market shade, I'm also going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in Love Drug. And I'm just going to add that a bit on the black shade, the Black Market shade. And I'm going to go in with a bit of purple eyeshadow, apply that right under the eye. And then I'm going to go in with a more red eyeshadow and apply that under the eye as well. The purple one came from a Revolution makeup palette, and the red one came from a Hard Candy palette, which they're currently selling in Walmart right now. I'm also going to use the black eyeshadow from there to deepen up my eye. I felt as though it wasn't dark enough, so I used this to give me more of a smoky look. So I just used the blending brush to deepen up my crease and blend this into my transition. And then I'm going to go in with this eyeliner pencil, which is a really nice black eyeliner pencil. It's from a company called Queenii Professional. It's their shade is called Deepest Black. And I'm just going to use this to create a straight wing. I'm not going for a wing eyeliner look since I have a smoked out wing look anyways, okay? And I'm using my fingers to kind of smooth it out, so it kind of gives it a smoky look as well. Then I'm going to use the same eyeliner pencil. You see how much darker it is? So this is more of a true black eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to go over the veins a little bit and just add some depth, some dimension to them. And the layers of color that I put under the eye, you know, gives us this effect of, you know, blood vessels under your eyes, you know, popping and, you know, filling up and getting ready to feed. This is just the idea, okay? You don't have to do it. Just make it your own, you guys, all right? I'm also going to go in and use the same black eyeliner pencil to line my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with a bit of the black eyeshadow from the Hard Candy. Oh my gosh. Hard Candy palette. And just apply a bit of this right underneath my lower lashes and just smoke it in just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit. And then for lashes, I'm using Sugar Pill lashes. That's why I messed that up. For lips, I'm using a liquid lipstick from Smashbox. This one's called Tar Pit. It's such a beautiful black shade, you guys. I know a lot of people think all black shades are equal. They're not equal. Not at all. This glides on so well. The formula is great. The only thing is, once I put the fake blood on it, it kind of messed it up, but it went on really, really nice, super clean. The formula was really nice and smooth. I absolutely love it. Okay, and my upper lip looks super tiny with this lipstick. I wish I had overdrawn it just a tiny bit more, but I do like the shape of the lips that I ended up getting just following my natural lip line. Like my bottom lip is so much bigger than the top lip. Is annoying sometimes, but that's just how it is. Okay, all right, so that is it. I'm gonna go in with a bit of this kind of dark brown shade. It kind of has like a slight red tone to it as well, or maybe a little bit purple or both, but I'm going to use this to deepen up my contour and add an extra layer of color to give me more of a dramatic, vampire look. I'm also going to use a bit of this color to add as my forehead contour. And then I'm going to go in with my fake blood. Honestly, you guys, don't put this in your mouth, even though it says on the packaging that it's safe. I put a little bit in my mouth for the effects of the video, but it tasted terrible. Don't put it in your mouth. Just try to get it around your mouth without it going in there. But yeah, I do like that it gives you that real look. I did try fake vampire teeth, but they were just not it. All right, and then my wig that I made using the hair from the company, the link is down below. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial that I'm doing for 2018. I'm going to try and do maybe one or two more. I'm not gonna promise, but I'll try. And I hope it inspires you and gives you some ideas for your look this year for Halloween. Okay, happy trick-or-treating and be safe. Love you guys. Bye.